Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be discussing more types of properties of parabolas and looking at its specific forms. So let's say we're given this quadratic function and we want to write the function in general, intercept, and vertex form. Let's actually just start off with the vertex form, and as you guys know, it's f of x equals ax minus h squared plus k, and we can just plug in the vertex that's given, -9, -36, and all we have to do is find a. So let's plug in one of the coordinates that they give us, which is -2, 13. And plugging that value in, we can just solve for a, and we eventually get that a is equal to 1. And our vertex form is f of x equals x plus 9 squared minus 36. Now let's look at the intercept form. The intercept form is very straightforward. You just write the intercepts, which is -15 and -3, so that's x plus 15 and x plus 3. Now to find a, you can either plug in -2, 13, or usually the a's in vertex and intercept form are the same. But just double check just to make sure. And for the general form, all you have to do is FOIL out the vertex form, and you'll get that the general form is x squared plus 18x plus 45. Remember, the general form is just the expanded version of the standard / vertex form of the quadratic function. So just explain it out any way you like. Now let's look at the second example. It's the same following function, but now we want to find the vertex using our 3 different forms. And here's how to do it. Now, if you're given the general form of the quadratic function, to find the vertex is -b over 2a for the x coordinate, and you just plug that x value in for the y coordinate, which is f of -b over 2a. That's just all covered in the previous introduction to quadratic functions video. Now plugging in those respective values, and after simplifying it, we get -9, -36, and we can fact check it with the graph, and as you can see, the vertex is indeed -9, -36. Now looking at the vertex form, as the name kind of insinuates, it's really easy to find the vertex as it's just x, h, aka -9, -36. And that's what's really convenient about the vertex form. Now to find the intercept form, it's also pretty simple. It's just a plus b divided by 2, f of a plus b divided by 2. Now if you think about it, right, the x coordinate of the vertex, it's going to lie in the middle of those x intercepts. So you're basically finding the midpoint of those x intercepts. And in that case, it's -15 plus -3 over 2, and then you plug that in for x to find the y value, and as well, we get -3, -36. I hope this video helped. Comment down below any other math topics you want me to review. Thank you.